Model, 70-plate Ford Transit Custom 2.0TD 130PS 340 trend front-wheel drive HEV L2H2 fridge van. Body, silver, panel van. Mileage, 114,875. MOT, the 20th of October 2024. Engine, 1996 cc 2.0 EcoBlue 130 PS. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. DPF light on the dash. Has a fault with the reduction temp sensor, which is the temp sensor which is built into the AdBlue pump, still starts and drives fine. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 0 form